done. So as y'all know, quarantine really has us all up in our own space, having time on our hands, you know, just kind of staying at home, which I hope you all are doing. I decided that today is the day that I'm going to get out of bed, get off of Wizards 101, get off of Club Penguin, because if you didn't know, Club Penguin is back. I decided I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna go through all my clothes, get rid of all the crust, all the must, all the dust. So I'm gonna be taking you on the journey of cleaning my closet, going through my dresser, and why does every airplane have to go by right now? I literally live in the suburbs. I hope you guys are all staying safe, healthy, and happy and are staying home. It is so important. Please, please, please make sure you're doing that. So let's do like a little before moment so we could do like a cute before and after. Let's do it. We are starting with my closet, and I personally don't have that much clothes, like literally only this half of my closet has clothes, but what I have is not completely making me happy, and that's kind of my issue. So this is mostly like jackets, coats, like heavier things. Most of this stuff I really love, but I do want to downsize a little bit. I have a bag of clothes here. I have a couple purses here. I don't have that many purses, honestly. The rest are hanging over here. This is a lot of my shoes. I have these 2 rows are all Doc Martens, more Docs, a bunch of sneakers. I have some more shoes downstairs, like in my garage and stuff that I just take off. Some Vans, Converse, those types of things. And here I have bathing suits that I literally don't wear. There's my DS. I should probably check up on my Nintendogs, see how they're doing. This is a mess. Here we have like hats, scarves, all types of stuff like that. Shoelaces apparently. So yeah, that is my closet. It's not horrible, but could be better. And then we have this. So I just did a bunch of laundry today, and there's actually more in the washer right now. It's me. What's up? And then we have the dresser. In here we have t-shirts. It's apparently overflowing, crew necks. And then this is all pants. Ever since I moved back home from the city, I've just not had room for anything. I have all of my college stuff and all of my home stuff here. So I really want to downsize before moving back in May. Well, hopefully May. We'll see how this whole thing plays out. Let's just get to it. Here is my game plan. First thing, I'm going to take out all my clothes from everywhere and put it all onto my bed. Then I'm going to sort through everything and make 3 different piles. First pile being donate. Actually 4 different piles. First pile being donate. Second pile being upcycle / rework. Third pile being sell on Depop. And fourth pile, stuff that goes back in the closet. Why is nothing folded? Like, I'm done. Really starting to regret this right now. So this is where we're at. It goes down. It really does. So I'm just gonna sort this. So we're gonna start with this pile here. My issue is that I get emotionally attached to literally everything. That's why I'm gonna struggle to get rid of like basically any of this stuff. Iconic belongs to my boyfriend, but now belongs to me. Tip for you, if you can't stop buying clothes, don't buy any more hangers. Once your hangers are full, if you buy something, it needs to replace something. You can't buy a new hanger, you have to replace something in your closet. I love this coat. I actually thrifted this. It's originally from Free People. The only issue is that it has a really big rip in the inside. So I definitely want to fix this. I want to sew that up so the rip doesn't get worse. This one's really cute. You know, it's like this flannel hoodie thing. It has a tiny little rip. I really like it, but I think I'm just gonna get rid of it. So we're gonna put her in the Depop pile. This is a family favorite. I mean, this is one that all of my friends draw on and do art on, so can't really pass this one up or get rid of it. It's so unique and one of a kind, really special to me. It's really hard getting rid of college merch because I go to FIT, like I want to wear it, but this one, it doesn't fit the way I want it to. Maybe I'm gonna crop it. I think I'm gonna actually put this one in the upcycle pile because I don't really know what else to do with it, and it was given to me by someone who apparently doesn't really like me anymore, so I'm just gonna make it a new memory. I don't wear dresses, I don't wear skirts, and I keep buying them, and I love Lazy Ove, and how do I let this go? How do I let this go? She's cute. I wore it once. I wore it twice. I wore it 3 times. I wore it 3 times. Maybe I'll wear it for spring. I don't know. I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna wear it. This is the only pair of shorts that I own. So I want to keep it because, like, you know, you need shorts. But, like, ew, maybe I'll upcycle these. I'm gonna make these goth iconic shorts. That's just what's gonna happen. This is what we have left. My closet is looking really empty, so I think I'm gonna hang a lot of this stuff. Cue the artsy montage because it's not even gonna be artsy actually. Who am I kidding? What possessed me to buy these trousers? Is Mad gonna wear this hat? That's debatable. Probably not. Definitely not. But is she gonna keep it? Absolutely. In other news, this is all the Depop stuff I'm getting rid of. This is all the stuff I'm upcycling. And then that is the one thing that I'm donating because everything else I feel like is Depop worthy. This is everything that I'm keeping. Here's the closet. I only have a couple of things hung up in here actually. It's like not that bad. Okay, so the next step is to kind of fold all my stuff that I'm putting back in my dresser. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna start taking pics for Depop. I wanna get it all done. Here we go. I'm talking way too much. To wear this FIT sweater because, like, they've been in one too many scandals this year. Okay, I am out of breath. There is hangers all over the floor. I've managed to put away almost all my clothes. I just want to hang those ones up right there. But I'm going to show you where everything is at. Here are my t-shirts. They're all just stacked. I know there's probably a more organized way to fold these, maybe roll them or something, but for me, this is the best way to just kind of flip through them and see what I have, but I definitely downsized and I can actually close this drawer. And then this one is my crew necks, mostly like things I've gotten at concerts, like my Pine Grove one, my Simmel one. This one's from Brandy. And then this bottom one is my jeans, and the girl, I watched her video, it was YouTube channel's right here, Victoria. She folded her jeans like this, so you can literally just like see all of them, which is really, really cool. And then I did the same thing with my pants, and I have some more pants that are in the wash right now, so they can fit in here, and I actually have extra room, which is insane. So yeah, that is my pants. As for shoes, there are a couple pairs I'm actually going to be getting rid of, which I've already kind of sorted out. So I'm going to get rid of these Docs, which you saw in my Docs collection. These ones are already posted on my Depop, like these chunky heels. And then other shoes I want to get rid of. Girl, we need to downsize the Docs if we're moving out. We cannot be taking 13 pairs with us. I decided I'm going to get rid of these ones. These 1461s are so beautiful, but I just don't wear them, and after filming the video I realized I don't have anything that they go with, so these ones are going as well. Y'all saw the before of my closet, and it does look the same because I didn't like clean out my closet or anything. I have to use my closet as storage because it's really small, so I still have like boxes and stuff up there. But yeah, this is kind of the result of what's left in my closet. I just moved some stuff from my drawers into here, and then my shoes definitely empty, but I want to kind of move this around, update it, space things out a little more. I'm gonna organize the rest some other time, but we definitely got rid of a ton of stuff. I think that is it. How do I end this? I don't even know how to end this. Like we just went through a lot together. Definitely check out my Depop if you want to see any of the stuff that I'm getting rid of. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. You know how much it helps me, you know how much it supports me, and I really appreciate that from you guys. So thank you as always. I love you guys so much. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye guys.
1, 2, 3, funky. My darling, I love you.